2025 Volkswagen Taos. Starting at $26 EST. Highs. Spacious for a little guy, good cargo room, the closest thing we have to a Golf hatchback now. Lows. So acceleration, pricing quickly approaches Tiguan territory, the Golf was more fun to drive. Verdict. The baby of VW's SUV lineup, the attractive Taos is nonetheless practical. Overview. VW's littlest SUV is right-sized for urban dwellers, and the 2025 Taos's updated looks should help set it apart in a crowded segment. A revised engine for 2025, now making 174 horsepower, promises some additional oomph, and we expect the Taos to remain an efficient runabout. Front-wheel drive is standard, with all-wheel drive an option. Richer materials and more color options dress up what was previously a drab interior, and there's a good amount of space for people and their gear. The Taos would make more sense if it weren't for the one-size-up Tiguan, which overlaps in price and offers more interior space. Competitors such as the Chevy Trax and Hyundai Kona also give the Taos a run for its money. What's new for 2025? The Taos gets a thorough refresh for 2025 that includes updated styling, new interior materials, and a more powerful engine. Its turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder has been massaged, resulting in a 16 HP boost that brings total output to 174 horses. Both front and all-wheel drive models now use an 8-speed automatic transmission. Previously, the 4motion all-wheel drive Taos got a 7-speed dual-clutch auto. An 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system is now standard across the board, and touch-sensitive climate controls are included on all but the base model. VW has also taken measures to keep noise out of the cabin. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Volkswagen Taos is expected to start around $26 and go up to $35 depending on the trim and options. $26,000 EST. SE. $30,000 EST. SE Black. $31,000 EST. Cell. $35,000 EST. We recommend the mid-level SE model because it provides the best value. It comes standard with 18-inch wheels, adaptive headlamps, a power-adjustable driver's seat, front and rear parking sensors, heated front seats, remote start, and wireless charging. We'd add all-wheel drive, largely because it replaces the front drive model's rear suspension with a more sophisticated independent setup. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Taos is powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 174 horsepower and is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission that sends power to the front or all four wheels. The front drive and all-wheel drive Taos have different rear suspensions, with the former using a torsion beam setup and the latter using a more sophisticated multi-link design. We appreciated the engine's low-speed thrust, the 8-speed automatic's unobtrusive operation, and the suspension's composure during our time with 1.060 mph times. We haven't yet tested a Taos with the updated engine, but we'll update this section once we do. For reference, a front-wheel drive Taos with the 158 HP engine made it to 60 miles per hour in 7.4 seconds, with the all-wheel drive version just a tenth behind at 7.5. Expect a slight improvement on those times from the more powerful version. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. VW hasn't shared fuel economy ratings for the 2025 Taos yet, but we don't expect them to stray much if at all from the numbers the previous powertrain put up. The front-drive Taos was rated at 28 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway, and the all-wheel drive model was rated at 25 mpg city and 32 highway. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, the front-wheel drive Taos earned an impressive 40 mpg, while the 4motion all-wheel drive Taos achieved 33 mpg. For more information about the Taos's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. A fully digital gauge cluster is fitted to every Taos dashboard, and the standard two-tone seats are covered in cloth. However, leatherette and leather upholstery are both available, too. There's no shortage of popular options, either. The taos cabin can be equipped with customizable ambient lighting, an 8-way power driver's seat, dual-zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof. The taos boasts 37.9 inches of rear seat legroom, which is only 0.8 inch less than the two-row Tiguan. The taos also has 28 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seat backs and 66 cubes with them folded flat. Infotainment and connectivity. Every taos features a slick-looking infotainment system with a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. An 8.0-inch touchscreen is standard and features Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity with a wired connection. Wireless mirroring is available on upper trims. The system can also be equipped with built-in navigation, a 6-speaker stereo, Sirius XM satellite radio, and wireless smartphone charging. Safety and driver assistance features. The smallest VW crossover comes with a variety of driver assistance technology, including forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. For more information about the taos's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature, warranty and maintenance coverage. Volkswagen provides an above-average limited warranty and below-average powertrain coverage. However, the company does include complimentary scheduled maintenance that aligns with Toyota. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 2 years or 20,000 miles.